Hi guys, so I'm going to quickly show you how to remove iron-on vinyl from a project that you either made a mistake on or it just doesn't look the way you wanted it to. So for this you're going to need your failed project, a hot surface like an iron or an easy press or heat press, and a pair of tweezers. So what you're going to do is you're just going to heat your iron to a low setting. So I'm going to put mine on 3. It's the polyester setting, and then you just wait for it to heat up. Once your iron is warm, you're going to just drape your project over it like that, and it helps to just tighten it up a little bit. Just be careful, it is quite warm, and then you can just hold it at the back. After a couple of seconds, you can just test it by starting to lift the iron on the corner, and then once you have a little piece that's lifting, you can just start pulling it back. And there you go. One thing to remember though is that on dark surfaces like black and dark gray, the residue of the glue will stay on your shirt. It is, however, 100% fine for you to go ahead and iron on your new project straight over this though. If you appreciated this video, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips, tricks, and tutorials. See you next time.